1 billion is the natural number following 999,999,999 and preceding 1,000,000,001. In scientific notation, it is written as 109. Previously in British English, the word billion referred to a million millions. However, this is no longer the case, and the word has been used unambiguously to mean 1,000 million for some time. The alternative term 1,000 million is rare and is used primarily to ease understanding among non-native speakers of English, as many other languages use words similar to billion to mean 1 trillion. In the South Asian numbering system, it is known as 100 crore or 1 Arab. The term milliard can also be used to refer to 1 billion. Though milliard is very seldom used in English, variations on this name often appear in other languages: milliardi, Indonesian milliard, Polish milliard, Danish milliard, Spanish millardo, French milliard, Italian miliardo, German milliard, Hebrew unregistered trademark A unregistered trademark K, Finnish miljardi, Dutch miljard, Serbo-Croatian milijarda, Russian th1 quarter th degree n euro th, Czech milliarda, Arabic ho terahertz plus or minus, Romanian milliard, Swedish miljard, Norwegian milliard. The SI prefix giga indicates 1 billion times the base unit. See orders of magnitude for larger numbers. And long and short scales. Selected 10-digit numbers. 1,023,456,789 a euro smallest pan-digital number and base 10. 1,026,753,849 a euro smallest pan-digital square that includes 0. 1,073,676,287 a euro 15th Carol number. 1,073,741,824 equals 230. 1,073,807,359 a euro 14th Kioneer number. 1,129,760,415 a euro 23rd Motzkin number. 1,134,903,170 a euro 45th Fibonacci number. 1,162,261,467 equals 319. 1,220,703,125 equals 513. 1,234,567,890 a euro pan-digital number with the digits in order. 1,311,738,121 a euro 25th PAL number. 1,382,958,545 a euro 15th Bell number. 1,406,818,759 a euro 30th Wedderburn a euro Etherington number. 1,836,311,903 a euro 46th Fibonacci number. 1,882,341,361 a euro the least prime whose reversal is both square and triangular. 1,977,326,743 equals 711. 2,147,483,647 a euro 8th Mersenne prime and the largest signed 32-bit integer. 2,147,483,648 equals 231. 2,176,782,336 equals 612. 2,214,502,422 a euro 6th primary pseudo-perfect number. 2,357,947,691 equals 119. 2,971,215,073 a euro 11th Fibonacci prime. 3,166,815,962 a euro 26th PAL number. 3,192,727,797 a euro 24th Motzkin number. 3,323,236,238 a euro 31st Wedderburn a euro Etherington number. 3,405,691,582 a euro hexadecimal kayfabe babe. Used as a placeholder in programming. 3,405,697,037 a euro hexadecimal CAFEDOOD. Used as a placeholder in programming. 3,486,784,401 equals 320, 4,294,836,223 a euro 16th Carol number. 4,294,967,291 a euro largest prime 32-bit unsigned integer. 4,294,967,295 a euro maximum 32-bit unsigned integer. 4,294,967,296 equals 232, 4,294,967,297 a euro the first composite format number. 4,295,098,367 a euro 15th Kioneer number. 4,807,526,976 a euro 48th Fibonacci number. 5,784,634,181 a euro 13th alternating factorial. 6,103,515,625 equals 514, 6,210,001,000 a euro only self-descriptive number and base 10. 6,227,020,800 equals 13. 6,975,757,441 equals 178, 6,983,776,800 a euro 15th colossally abundant number. 7,645,370,045 a euro 27th PAL number. 7,778,742,049 a euro 49th Fibonacci number. 7,862,958,391 a euro 32nd Wedderburn a euro Etherington number. 8,589,869,056 a euro 6th perfect number. 8,589,934,592 equals 233, 9,043,402,501 a euro 25th Motzkin number. 9,814,072,356 a euro largest square pandigital number, largest pandigital pure power. 9,876,543,210 a euro largest number without redundant digits. 9,999,999,967 a euro greatest prime number with 10 digits. Sense of scale. The facts below give a sense of how large 1 billion is in the context of time according to current scientific evidence. 109 seconds is 114 days short of 32 calendar years. About 109 minutes ago, the Roman Empire was flourishing and Christianity was emerging. About 109 hours ago, modern human beings and their ancestors were living in the Stone Age. About 109 days ago, Australopithecus, an ape-like creature related to an ancestor of modern humans, roamed the African savannas. About 109 months ago, dinosaurs walked the Earth during the late Cretaceous. About 109 years a euro ago, the first multicellular eukaryotes appeared on Earth. The universe is currently thought to be about 13.8 109 years old. In terms of distance, 109 inches is 15,783 miles. More than halfway around the world and thus sufficient to reach any point on the globe from any other point. 109 meters is almost 3 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon, 109 kilometers is over 6 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. In terms of finance, the possession of assets with total value of 109 United States dollars would place a person among the world's wealthiest individuals. As visualized in a work by artist Michael Marcovici, This amount of money in stacks of $100 bills can fit on 12 wrapped pallets. In terms of area, a billion square inches would be a square about 1/2 mile on a side. A piece of finely woven bed-sheet cloth that contained a billion holes would measure about 500 square feet, large enough to cover a moderate-sized apartment. In terms of volume, there are a billion cubic millimeters in a cubic meter. A billion grains of table salt or granulated sugar would occupy a volume of about 2.5 cubic feet. A billion cubic inches would be a volume comparable to a large commercial building slightly larger than a typical supermarket. In terms of natural landscape, a small mountain, slightly larger than Stone Mountain, Georgia, United States, would weigh a billion tons. In terms of count, A is a cube. B consists of 1,000 cubes of type A. C consists of 1,000 Bs. And D 1,000 Cs. Thus there are 1 million as in C. And 1 billion as in D. References